In the next 10 seconds guide, discover how to resolve the error code 0x80072af9 swiftly. Press Windows plus X to open the Power User menu, and select Device Manager from the list. Expand Network Adapters, right-click the active adapter, and then choose Uninstall Device. Tick the checkbox for Attempt to remove the driver for this device, and click on Uninstall to confirm. Once done, restart the computer, and Windows will automatically install the best driver. Press Windows plus R to open Run, type CMD, and hit Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. Click Yes in the UAC prompt. Paste the following commands one at a time, and hit Enter after each to run the DISM tool. Once done, execute the following command to run the SFC Scan, sfc/scano. Identify the KB, knowledge base number for the update triggering the error, and then head to Microsoft Update Catalog. Paste the KB number in the search box and hit Enter. Click on the Download button next to the update that matches the system architecture, that is, 32-bit or 64-bit version. Now, click on the correct link here, and the download will start. Next, run the setup and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.